Greetings, Questers. Welcome to a new dev update. In this one, we're going to talk about the recent release of 4.2 and some of the features that I've updated and improved. And we'll keep it pretty simple. This one was mostly focused on trying to improve the fidelity of mobile devices. Previously, the way I had built the battle maps was that it would show at the regular resolution, typically whatever your screen space was, but it did not take into account things like pixel density of certain mobile devices, things like MacBooks and iPhones and high resolution mobile phones have a much higher pixel density than a standard desktop. So I took some time to update the maps so that they now follow that standard. And you'll find that if you're using Questline on your phone or on your tablet or even on a high resolution screen that has a higher pixel density, it'll actually render super crisp and clean and make the experience much better. So that was the big parts about the battle maps. I have also moved the game settings. Two of the menu items, which was invites and players, has now been moved into the game settings here. And you can see that I have a list of players here. Game masters will have this icon here that'll show them, show everybody who's a game master. You can also use this chat icon here to chat with other people. And you can also kick the players like before. And then the invite system has been moved into this little space here, which you click on the plus button and it'll create. You can create two different types of invites, a players or a game master invite. And the players, you can set a number of uses and it will create an invite. And then you can use that. And you can use this copy invite and it'll copy that directly to your clipboard. And then you can send it to whoever you wish. The second part of that is those who have not really seen it before. You should probably, if you ever wish to have a paired game master, somebody that you work with as a game master, you can also create a game master invite that gives them the ability to do all the things that you do. But they also have to have an appropriate subscription. With that, you can, I'll come back up to here. I fixed a number of bug fixes. And specifically, I have cleaned up some of the sorting for the object list for the maps, being able to drag them and being able to properly see them. I did make a kind of a large update to the way the user is loaded, as there are some rare issues where sometimes your username would get reset or it would lose your subscription ID from PayPal. It's not a permanent thing. It's something I can easily fix. But I refactored all of this, so hopefully it will remove any forward issues and prevent that from happening again. And then the final thing is subscriptions. I have taken a pretty deep look at my subscription model. And one of the things I always wanted to do was to keep it very simple. And I originally had implemented a game limit or a game slot limit to both the subscriptions. You could only play up to 5 games. And after thinking about it for quite some time, I decided it's just not the way I want to go. And so going forward, if you have a paid subscription, you have unlimited slots for games. The basic tier only allows you to play in one game. If you have the trial, you can play or create a single game, but after the trial's over, you'll lose the GM tools. The adventurer tier will allow you to play in as many games as you want, and the game master tier will let you play in or create as many games as you want, but it also provides you the game master tools. And that's pretty much it for this update. Thanks for stopping by and keep questing.